Hello and welcome to Haddy the Creator. I am Haddy and today I am very excited to open up this very unique and special deck of cards.
The reason this deck of cards is special is because it is a cumulative effort by several very talented artists in an art group called the Cheese Wizards, to which I proudly belong. This has been months and months of effort, of organization, and motivating each other, and really a lot of work went into creating this awesome deck of cards. Each card is 100% unique and has a original artwork on it. Some members of the group did multiple cards. I just did one. I got to do the 10 of diamonds. Another very cool thing about this deck of cards is each suit has its own unique color palette that all of the illustrations use. So the clubs are different from the diamonds and so on. You can easily tell just by looking at the color palette which card belongs to which suite. A lot of times the illustrations aren't really clear on which is which, but the color palettes is the giveaway if you can't tell from the artwork. Now I'm just going to slowly go through these cards one at a time. That each one is just so unique and so beautiful. I could probably look at this deck of cards and be entertained for hours just looking at all of the different illustrations. I'm amazed by some of these artists, and it's really cool because we all come from different backgrounds and different mediums, and we're all different ages. We live in different parts of the world, and it's just really a fun group, and it's kind of a secretive group. We aren't like an open group, and we kind of found each other through strange internet means, which I choose not to disclose. Nothing too weird, but we just kind of found each other in a weird way, and we were just a really close group of artists. It's just really cool though to see how a group of creatives can come together and motivate each other and really come up with some really unique and awesome collaborations. We do quite a lot of collaborating together, and I'm excited to show you some of our other collaborations as well. This is the first video I'm doing showing one of our finished pieces, but we do a lot of pixel art and all sorts of different things together. Now there's 4 of these cards, one for each suit, and it just shows which artist did each illustration, and you see me, Haddy, at the bottom there with the 10 of diamonds that I just showed. Now I'm getting into a new suit, and you can see the color palette has changed, and these new illustrations are using more of a lighter tones and some pastels and kind of less saturated colors. Each one is just amazing. I could just seriously sit there and stare at each card for 10 minutes each. It would take forever to get through this deck though. I'm just kind of skimming through quickly. And then after I finished filming, I went back through and probably spent another 20 minutes just staring at all of the different illustrations. And now we're getting into the last suit and the final color palette of this deck. I just want to point out though the power of collaboration and the effectiveness of having a community of like-minded creatives that just kind of help each other and motivate each other, giving each other reminders, posting artwork daily, and just showing what you're working on. It really is motivating, and I owe so much of my current creative energy to this group of Cheese Wizards. For example, the endeavor of setting out to illustrate a whole deck of cards by yourself is pretty daunting. It's a lot of illustrations, a lot of cards. It would probably take you a long time. But with a community and a group of friends and individuals who share that same desire, it went pretty quick. I mean, not super quick. It probably took a year, but that's just because, we all work at different paces, and we had an organizer that was reminding us and trying to keep us motivated and on task. But still, it came to fruition, and now I'm holding in my hands this completed deck of cards, and it's awesome. Overall, I'm really pleased with how these came out. The colors are super vibrant. The cards feel nice. They have a nice, slick polish to them, a shine or a shimmer. But yeah, they feel like nice quality cards, and I'm excited to play some games with them and show off this artwork. The back of the deck, these black and white illustrations, is also another collaboration that was done through this group. I didn't participate in that one, unfortunately, but it's a really cool illustration. Now, I'm not trying to do a shameless sales pitch, but you can purchase this deck of cards if you are interested. I don't make any money off of it. I think our art group might make $1 or $2, if that. It's just up for sale if you want to own some of this amazing artwork. I'll throw the link in the description below if you're interested, and if not, no worries. Also, we have a Tumblr page for our art group that you can check out each card digitally and see all of the artwork that way as well. So thanks for watching this video and checking out this deck of cards, and I challenge you, if you are creative, to find or form some sort of creative group and start collaborating.